Hello my dear friends and welcome to my channel. If you are watching this video, you want to get more information about Democreator by Wondershare. This is an amazing platform for creating online courses, instructional videos, and much more. I will tell you how to use it, for what to use it, and a lot of other stuff, so stay tuned because it's gonna be important. And important is also to check out the description box below this video because all the links that you need to check out are right there for your use. So yes, Democreator. This is an online course creation platform. You can record your screen and you can record a video and you can actually combine both things at the same time. Afterwards, you can edit the video with the magnificent and brilliant features that a Democreator has. It has AI features, for example, like a voice cleaner or cursor effect, which will highlight the most important parts on the screen that you want to point to, and some other stuff that I will show you right away. So I have pre-recorded a video to work with it right now, and as you can see, there is this menu where you can choose to record both screen and video, just the video or just the microphone. So you have a choice, and after that you choose the icon of your avatar. This is like this is the window of the camera which is being recorded. Yes, after that your video is saved and you are prompted to an editor. So what is happening right here? So your video is being imported with three different tracks. So the first track is audio, the second one is the video of your camera, and the second one is the video of your screen. So yes, you can deal with each part as long as you want. Let's start with the audio. That's the most interesting part. Of course, if you are a creator, if you are an educator or a business professional, so on and so forth, the variety of professions that you might need Democreator for is limitless. So if you're working with students or you are a content creator like me that needs to make videos like that, you might need these features. So let's start with the magic tools, audio effects. So what is right here? So what we have right here is AI voice cleaner. It cleans the audio of the video from all the external noises. For example, a car riding, driving by, or some, I don't know, a washing machine working, or some neighbors being loud. A lot of cases where you would need AI voice cleaner. And I'm putting it on. So let's listen to the voice that I recorded. AI, yes, this is Democreator by Wondershare. A lot of magnificent features that you can use to make a perfect presentation, online course, and some other stuff. Exactly, so that's how it works. What you can also do, because if I didn't have a lot of noises right on my background, but if you imagine that recording, for example, in the auditorium or in a cafe or something like this feature would be useful for you. But I'm putting that on because, of course, there could be some extra noises that I don't want to be included in the video. I can also change a voice, AI voice changer. So you have a very huge variety of voices to choose from. And you can choose the type of voice. It's narrative and news broadcasting, child, social media, educational, so on and so forth. For example, child.
Wondershare, creativity simplified.
So I can choose it, and my voice will be altered to that child's voice. For example, the one that I chose. And we can listen to the result.
Record like a pro, edit easily with AI, yes.
So I can apply it and it's gonna be right here. Yes.
Of which you might, what features that you can use.
So what else is possible right here? So as you can see, there is a add subtitles button. So I can use auto subtitles, import subtitles, or manual subtitles. I will choose auto subtitles because it's pretty easy to do.
Be core like a pro, edit easily with AI. Yes, this is.
So yes, of course, you can edit any subtitle that you have. You can edit it because, of course, it was automatic. It might not hear well all the words, but yes, as you can see.
Be core like a pro, edit easily with AI. Yes, this is Democreator by Wondershare. A lot of magnificent features that you can use to make a.
Yeah, so it's a pretty convenient feature that you need to have. What is also possible right here is that you can actually use that, use the text, using the subtitles to convert, for example, your text to speech. So you can, of course, type in any text, you can choose the language, and you can choose the voice, and then your text-to-speech feature is enabled. But I showed you the feature of changing the voice. So as you can see right here, you can move subtitles whatever way you want, and of course you can move the camera video to whatever area of that space, yes, where you want it. So what else is interesting right here is, of course, cursor effects. So I already did choose a cursor for you, so I can choose this part to show you how it's gonna look like. You see, whenever I'm moving further, yes, it's highlighted. It's very convenient when I need to emphasize on some parts of the screen. Yes. And yes, a lot of other features are available, transitions, annotation, templates, so on and so forth, but that's gonna be for another video. But yes, your presentations and your courses will never be the same when you start using Democreator. Yes, download it for free, start using that. The links are below this video for your interest. Thank you very much for watching. I'll be back, and take care.